How to find my Windows username. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will learn about how we can find my Windows username. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, navigate to the search icon in the toolbar, and in the search bar you have to search for cmd. And once this command prompt loads over on your interface, right click on it and click on run as administrator, then allow the access. After that, you will see this terminal in your board. Here in this text box you have to type in who am I. Make sure to not leave in space. And once you type in who am I, then you can see your laptop username underneath that code. So this was one of the methods to find out your laptop username. Now the second option is to open up your control panel. So open up control panel in your device. Click on user accounts from this option here. Click on user accounts. And here you will see your Windows username as well. Now the third option is to again navigate towards the search icon, and in the search bar we have to type in Netplwiz. And once you see the Netplwiz run command, you have to click on it, and under this box also you will find your Windows username. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.